Everyone, my name is Archit Arora, and this is my term project for 15.1.12. The game that I created is based off of Ninja Kiwi's Bloons Tower Defense 3. So this is my main function. I'm going to go ahead and run it. So once I run this function, there are 4 modes that you see: easy, medium, hard, and create. I'm going to go ahead and click easy. And there's some music playing in the background, as you guys heard. I'm just going to turn it low so I can talk about the game. So once you click start, balloons start appearing onto the screen. And you can select different towers to place onto the screen. And it takes a certain amount of money away from the amount of money you have. And the objective of this game is to make sure you have more than 0 lives left and the most amount of money as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more tower to the bottom right here. And you can change the direction of these towers by clicking on the direction and scrolling up or down, and that changes the direction of these towers. You can also upgrade them, which increases the amount of bullets they fire per second, which is very useful when much more difficult balloons come up. So when you upgrade, for example, Tower 6, which is on the screen right now, once I click start again, you see that harder balloons start to appear. The yellow balloons are the ones that are harder to hit, and also they move much faster. So it uses a little bit of game AI to pick what balloons based on what towers the users have on the screen. And this basically goes on up to 5 levels. There's 3 game modes: easy, medium, and hard. And this process just keeps repeating until all 5 levels are passed, and at that point you basically win the game. So if I click start again right here, more balloons start to appear and you can place more towers. So if I take this tower and place it right here, and I change the direction again by scrolling, and if you upgrade this one, you can see that even harder balloons come down than that there were before. Because towers 5 and 6 are upgraded, it just basically gives you harder balloons to hit. So that is the easy mode. There's 2 other modes. One is the medium mode, which is right here. And lastly, there is the hard mode, which is right over here. And basically in the hard mode, there are just faster balloons and less distance between the top and the bottom of the path. And another cool thing is that once you click start and you actually click save right here, and you click X, it takes the values that you clicked save at and stores it in this file called score.txt, which stores the amount of money you have, the lives you have, and the game mode you were at. So when you try to reload this game, it tells you exactly, or it takes you exactly to that point of what you were at originally. So that's exactly what it is right here. And very lastly, there is a create mode, which is at the very end, where you can select where you want the walls to be placed right here. And on this, you can select the walls you want to be placed. And once you're done, you could just say done creating, and it gives you the list of the tuples. The balloons for this unfortunately do not work very well, but it allows you to create towers to add to the functionality of the game. Thank you so much. That was my term project for 15.1.12.